Hi, this is Pastor Fenojo. You remember I did my mom 88th birthday anniversary, and during that anniversary, I used a song that I created myself, an instrumental song that I titled Peace. And apparently, a company called Song Trust have given me a copyright um, claim saying that I used their song called Forest Green. And they said my video cannot be monetized. I mean, I don't monetize my video anyway, but this is a matter of principle, right? So these people have claim, put a claim against my song, and that is why I'm uploading this. Unfortunately, this is, from what I understand, this is beginning to be a very, very problematic problem. Okay, now this is the way this works. So this is their copyright claim, which I have disputed on YouTube. Obviously, they gave you all this scary thing. We are going to shut you down, and if you can be shut down, and all that and all that. Now, this song is one of a three instrumental that I created, and I actually named them after my children, and this is the one they are disputing. So I've decided that I'm just going to put it up, even though I would not have loved to have done it in this way. This is my garage band, and this is, I'm using, everything here is GarageBand Loops. So I'm going to play it, and I'm hoping that reason will prevail with YouTube. So I'm just going to play it and hopefully upload it. Okay, there you have it. That is the song created on GarageBand using purely GarageBand Loops, and is one of three instrumental I created on GarageBand using the name of my children. And this is fast becoming a very, very difficult problem on YouTube. Obviously, I've sent in my appeal and I'm hoping that reason will prevail. I mean, I don't even know. This video uses songs, melody, forest green. I don't know who that is. Rating, whatever that is. Song trust, I don't know them. So, yes, I used the song. I created the song. I used GarageBand. And I'm hoping that reason will prevail. I was not planning to upload this song in this manner, but my hand has been forced to do this. I think I better go through all my song and see how many of this particular thing happen all the time that one doesn't always know, because when you use your phone you don't see all these things until you go into your laptop and actually have a look. Thank you for listening. God bless you.